Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to generate reports with Trello's Corrello Power-Up, the 2025 guide. We'll go through the most essential steps to help you make the most of this powerful tool. First up, you need to access Trello and find the board that you want to generate a report from. This is our starting point because Corrello works directly with your Trello boards. Now that we've done that, the next step is to add the Corrello Power-Up. You can find this by clicking on the Show Menu button on your Trello board and then selecting Power-Ups. The reason we do this is to integrate Corrello's data analytics capabilities into our Trello board. Once you've added the Corrello Power-Up, we can move on to generating our report. You'll need to click on the Corrello button on your Trello board and select Create New Report. This helps us because it allows you to customize your report based on the specific data you want to analyze. Next up, you'll need to select the criteria for your report. This includes selecting which lists or labels you want to include, as well as specifying the date range for the report. Let me explain why this matters. By carefully selecting your criteria, you can ensure your report provides valuable insights relevant to your project's needs. Once you've chosen your criteria, you'll need to click Generate Report. Corrello will then analyze the data from your board based on your specified criteria and create a comprehensive report. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Corrello is scanning through all the data on your board, filtering it based on your criteria, and then compiling it into a clear and easily understandable report. To conclude, generating reports with Trello's Corrello Power-Up is a simple and effective way to analyze your project data and gain valuable insights. By following these steps, you'll have a detailed report in no time. And remember, the more specific you are with your criteria, the more targeted your report will be. And that's it. Now you're all set to generate insightful reports with Trello's Corrello Power-Up. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy reporting.